even just for a day. I roll out of bed in the morning and throw on what I want is and go. Drink beer with the guys and chase out the girls. I kick it with who I wanted, and I never get confronted from it, 'cause they stick up for me. If I were a boy, I think I could understand how it feels around the girls, but I feel good, yeah. I listen to her, 'cause I know her. When you lose around, you know it, 'cause it's taking you for granted, and everything you have I destroy. If I were a boy, I would turn off my phone, tell everyone who's broken, so they think that I was sleeping alone. I'd put myself first and make the rules that I go, 'cause I know that she'd be faithful, waiting for me to come home. Come home. If I were a boy, I think I could understand how it feels to love a girl. I swear I'd be a better man. I listen to her, 'cause I know and everything you had got destroyed. It's a little too late for you to come back. Say it's just a mistake, think I forgive you right there. If you thought I would wait for you, you got wrong. But you're just a boy, you don't understand, yeah, you don't understand how it feels to love a person that you wish you were that man. You don't listen to her. And everything you ever tried, but you're just a boy. You don't understand.